Welcome to the world of E-Lins technology. Here we introduce you to a product that excels in all types of industrial and commercial environments. The H900 4G industrial router. Whether you use it for critical connectivity or demanding environments, the H900 is your best choice. The E-Lins H900 series dual SIM 4G router is a compact, rugged gigabit Ethernet 3G 4G LTE router with dual tri-band Wi-Fi and dual SIM options. Whether it's high-speed data transfer or multi-device connectivity, the H900 has you covered. The H900 router comes with a range of high-quality accessories to ensure optimum performance. These include a magnetic antenna, dual-band Wi-Fi antenna, GPS antenna, RJ45 network cable, power adapter and serial cable. These accessories ensure stable connectivity and reliable performance of the H900 in a variety of environments. The H900 is not only powerful, but also has a compact design and flexible installation options. It is capable of providing stable network connectivity in a variety of environments for M2M, machine-to-machine, Internet of Things IoT and in-vehicle applications. Whether in harsh industrial environments or busy commercial locations, the H900 is up to the task. E-Lins H900 4G industrial router. Built for modern connectivity, it provides a stable and reliable network connection. It is not only a simple network device, but also your reliable partner in complex environments. Choose H900, choose stability and reliability, and provide a solid network foundation for your business. Thank you for viewing our presentation. If you need more information, please visit our website or contact our sales team directly. E-Lins is always committed to providing you with the best network solutions. We look forward to working with you.